Here.
What's up, guys? It's Ron Awesome and I'm kind of squid.
You are not Ron is Awesome. I am. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ron is Awesome here.
I was going to say
And
Ron
today,
Awesome for you, Ron.
and so guys, and today, I'm going to be showing you how to summon, how to spawn an iron golem. So, let me make it daytime because it's going to be better. Day.
I can't even see from me. I'm kind of squid.
Okay, so to make an iron golem, what you're going to need is you would need
a block and a pumpkin.
Here.
Iron block and a pumpkin.
You need an iron block
And a pumpkin.
and a pumpkin.
A jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah, you can use a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern. No one really cares. So I'll take jack-o'-lantern. I don't care.
Yeah, because sometimes non-pumpkin doesn't work, and sometimes the jack-o'-lantern doesn't.
Okay. So guys, so to spawn an iron golem, you would need 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4. You need 4 blocks of iron, and then
Let's make a T, a small T.
on the top you can put a jack-o'-lantern or a pumpkin. I don't care, whatever you put. Just only put a pumpkin.
If it doesn't work,
But only just put a pumpkin or a jack-o'-lantern.
if the jack-o'-lantern doesn't work, then put a pumpkin.
So you can, and then once you put the pumpkin on top of that, it'll immediately spawn. So let's try another one.
Guys, one time I made a team to put a pumpkin. I never known there's going to be this iron golem over here. I thought it would just be like that, but no, it's really iron golem. And I did not even know that what it was. But now I know. That was the first time when I saw that iron golem, but it's the
So the first one, we just do the pumpkin, the actual pumpkin, but now we're doing
Can we name him Big Bobby?
We might.
And
then we can also put peppermint on it.
Yeah,
the bottom still same works. So
you remember when we did not know that was the iron golem, we named him Big Bobby.
Yeah, I remember. Okay, so guys. And then now, instead of placing blocks, you can try this. Summon
iron golem.
So guys, I'm just going to be showing you how to summon any golem. I don't care.
And there's
even a snow golem.
Yeah, you can do that. I'm not kidding.
So, and once you summon that, you just click like that. It's like that. So you gotta type that in, and let's try another time. So you type it.
Snow golem.
No, let's finish with the iron golem first.
Snow golem is really weak, but one time they have the snow golem and it died.
Yes, snow golems. Okay, so guys, listen. So guys, if you like golems, golems will protect your house.
Yeah, and if you like golems, go and see Popular Animals Golem video.
And they have that the golem mod. They color them colors how the golem, like diamond golem, golden golem, and other stuff. Okay, so guys, and for the next one, we're going to be summoning a snow golem. And then what you would need is
snow instead of.
Yeah, you would need snow.
Yeah, you can make a T or there's a T. There's a T on one. We'll make a 1 on it.
Okay, so guys, I won't even spawn a snow golem right here because that's a desert area and he can die there. So I would spawn it right here.
First, make it. Can I just make a T?
And
you can do that.
You can also make a T.
Yeah, but let's put a T first and then the line first.
And you can also use And also you can use pumpkin and jack-o'-lantern. I don't care. He still spawns.
And you can say his head up. Head up.
Okay, I'll show you that next time. Or another way to spawn in.
Put that line, it's like a one.
You can make it like that.
It's all clean, right? All
Yeah.
clean. Instead of putting a T, a break, a block, cardboard.
And so guys, and also, if you're like traveling to a hot place with a snow golem, you would need fire resistance so he won't die. So
And because you want your poor snow golem to die.
okay, so I'll go to someone on nurse snow golem. Okay. Okay, sorry. Nope, it didn't.
Why did you watch him go all with the light on?
Okay. And okay, so guys, now we're also doing next one. We're going to be doing snow golems in desert. So I would need some fire resistance. So let me get some fire resistance.
Wait, I'm trying to join a board, but it's not working. Oh, now you can. Dr. Slum. Dr. Squiz. And guys, you better want to see Dr. Squiz.
Tell them why.
So you can see cutting up Squishy, and if you never saw him Squishy, you can go and see.
Okay, so my sister joined the game. And then here.
Where are you? I'm only on an island. Where are you? I lost.
Okay, so guys, let me try it again. That was so fast. So guys, also, yes.
Where are these rolls to put in bathroom?
I don't know.
Huh?
So where does roll to this?
Toilet
You
paper.
just put it in the trash can.
I will put this in trash. I have to put new one.
You
Oh,
find
they're
it.
downstairs.
Huh?
Some of them are downstairs. I think.
Can you go help Granny?
No, I'm trying to help you.
Alright. And
How can
yeah.
I?
And so guys,
Where are you?
snow golem
I
can.
want help.
Oh my goodness.
This way, guys. This bus keeps on going down. Wait, you travel so much, seriously?
Here, let me help you. Alright, guys, give me 1 minute.
Do you like any wall yesterday? Do you like wall yesterday?
A little.
Do you like this one? That's not. Okay, this one will watch you forever. What should I do? Watch it. No, this cannot fit. I cannot
Okay, here. You're teleport me. Hey, well, why do you have like an elf skin?
Yeah.
Alright, so snow golems die in deserts. What?
You did it too.
Wait, no, that
You
was.
actually put it at me. I cannot believe
Wait,
it.
no, that was the wrong clip here. Let's try again.
Happily ever. No.
What? Hey guys.
You want to show them this, but I want to show them.
Hey, at first you had to be like.
I want to show your head up. Over here, I want to show your head up.
Okay, so
I want to show your head up. Hey, come back.
so this is my sister. She sheared the head. So you need shears to chop the head.
I see Rudolph.
Okay, he has 5 residents. Okay, and now, crap, why would he do that?
Because I don't have to have it.
Okay,
Except this one.
so my sister can cheer it. And then now I would need a leash.
It kind of looks ugly with the sticky head off.
Yeah.
Take that head off. Oh, wait. Oh my, no! You're going to die! That's no golem, no, not peanuts.
Alright. I need a lead. I got it. So.
No golem went to a cave and killed itself.
Okay, so this snow golem has 5 residents. I think it's okay. I think it's okay if we can take him to the desert. Let's go, snow golem. Let's take a trip there.
Why?
Crap, he just fell down. Okay, so.
We just have to walk this one.
Hey, snow golem. Stupid spider.
Maybe look at me.
Hurt you guys.
What?
Snow golems can die just by mobs. Those golems really suck, guys. So. And then next, you can also name your golem, and I don't know where all my golems are from. Okay, so how you name them? So I'll do how to name mobs video soon. So I'm just showing you how to spawn golems and other stuff like that.
Where is the ugly leaf? Leaf, where are you? What are you vomiting?
I'm not vomiting.
Can I have a leaf
This
please on
twitching
it?
is bothering me. Okay.
Can I have a leaf please on it?
Wait.
I found your snowman. Oh. Can I have a leaf please on it?
But
No!
just reach it quickly.
I don't have a leaf, okay? I can't find it.
Let the little guy fight him.
I'll save you.
And also, guys,
I hate you, zombie.
so iron golems won't fight. So iron golems won't fight creepers, but except for the snow golems, it will. Yeah, the snow golems will fight the creepers and the
I
other.
found one of your golems.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave them. They come at me another way. And it's an egg. Egg, these you. And you. You all come with me.
Okay, so let me give him
Let's
some
go,
fire residence,
there,
and then
yeah.
I'm just gonna take him.
You see your golems flying? Should I drop them now?
If you like drop the iron golem, he won't die.
Yeah, okay, I got them.
But
now.
what? Dang it! I thought he has fire residence. Also, guys, even if you try fire residence and bring a snow golem to a desert, you'll just die. So hot in a desert. Also, guys, that was how to spawn golems. And so, guys, for the next video, I'll be showing you how to name mobs. Okay? So bye, guys. I'll see you later. Just do not if you do not want to miss that video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and also leave a comment below. Bye, guys. See you later. Hope you love and enjoy the video.